Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in SED, how to use the pattern range. A pattern range can be simple text or a complex regular expression. Let us take an example. Here we are having one text file which contains the book name and the author. See, this text file contains book name and the author. We are having only a sample file. Here we are not having some thousands of lines. We are having only 4 to 5 lines of text only. Here it contains some author name and the book name. How to search for the particular author? For example, we are having one text file which contains 1000 authors and books. We want to find out the book written by the particular author means how can we do that? We have to use for the pattern. Then only you can search and find it. How we are going to do that? Now we will see. Here I am going to search for the author Ruskin. By using the SED, I am going to search for the author Ruskin and I am going to print it. Okay. The books written by the Mr. Ruskin Bond. It will show the book name and the author name. Here only 2 books are available. As we are having only a small data file, here we are having only 2 books written by Mr. Ruskin Bond. Okay. If it is around 1000 lines means you can easily find out by using this pattern search. Okay. This is the way you have to use the pattern range. Either it might be text or complex regular expression. How can we combine the pattern range with an address range? Here what happened is the SED operated on each line and it prints only those lines that match the string Ruskin Bond. Okay. In the above example, we did that only. Now we will see how to combine the pattern range with the address range. Okay. So here it prints the lines which contains the text Ruskin, and it prints from the first match, it prints the 2 lines. Okay. From the first match of the string, it prints the 2 lines. After that, I will show it now. Here, instead of that, we can put like this. Here it prints 2 lines from the first match. Here it prints the line that contains the word author. After that, it prints 1 line. So it prints 2 lines. Okay. 2p means it is going to print only 2 lines. If we want to print all the lines, how can we do that? Here it prints only 2 lines. If we want to print all the lines means we can go for the dollar symbol. See, it prints all the lines. Okay. This is the way how to use the pattern. Okay. I will show you some more examples in the next video. Thanks. Bye.